Welcome friends. Today I am discussing about full outer join. So at first, what is full outer join? A full outer join combines the effect of applying both left and right outer joins. Where records in the full outer join table do not match, the result set will have null values for every column of the table that lacks a matching row. For those records that do not match, a single row will be produced in the result set. Full outer join. Here are two tables, table 1 and table 2. Table 1 has two attribute ID and name, and table 2 has two attribute ID and branches. Table 1 has entries at row 1 1 and ABC, and row 2 has entries 2 and EFG, and table 2 has entries 1 and IT at row 1 and 3 and CSC at row 2. As full outer join is the combination of inner join, left outer join and right outer join, so the final output is like that. ID, name, ID, branch. So first inner join 1 ABC 1 IT. Next one left outer join 1 2 EFG null. Right outer join null 3 CSC. If we represent full outer join in Venn diagram, left, right. So as full outer join is the combination of inner join, outer join, full outer join, as full outer join is the combination of inner join, left outer join and right outer join. At first, what is the common or similar entries of two table? 1 and here also 1. So common intersection, then left outer join, and then right outer join. So here is the full outer join.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.